How to add or remove hover typing to accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and in here tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then in here, we go down and then we scroll down and tap on hover typing. So tap on the menu item to select or deselect it. When it is selected, it will be added to the accessibility shortcut menu. So here if I triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3, and this will bring up the menu, and here I can turn on hover typing. So I can quickly access hover typing from the shortcut menu. And if you want to remove the menu item, you can just deselect it and it will be removed from the menu items. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.